Hey and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video we will find out the best free task manager in 2025 by comparing Microsoft To Do and Google Tasks in 2025. If you're looking for the best free task manager in 2025, then watch this till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads, and let's get into this. If you live in Gmail and Google Calendar, Google Tasks is an obvious free to-do list app to try out. That's because it lives right in the sidebar of those two apps and offers more than a few integrations. Plus, there's a dedicated mobile app. The app itself is Spartan. Adding tasks is quick, particularly if you spend a lot of time in Gmail anyway. But there's not a lot of organizational offerings. There are due dates, lists, descriptions, subtasks, and the ability to star tasks. You can drag an email to Google Tasks to turn it into a task, for example. You also can see your tasks on your Google Calendar, if you want. Google Tasks also integrates with Gemini, Google's AI chatbot. You can ask it to add to-dos to your list or to break down a task into subtasks and add them. How useful that is depends on how much you use Gemini on a day-to-day basis. Over the last few years, Microsoft has been slowly and quietly making its personal productivity apps really good. Its modern take on Microsoft To Do is one of the big results of that. The main interface is clean and friendly, and adding tasks is quick, but there's a lot of flexibility below the surface. The real standout feature here is the deep integration with Microsoft's ecosystem. Any email flagged in Outlook, for example, shows up as a task. Outlook users can also sync their tasks from that app over to Microsoft To Do, meaning there's finally a way to sync Outlook tasks to mobile. You can set custom background images for every one of your lists, allowing you to tell at a glance which list you're looking at. Through that basic comparison, you can easily decide what suits you and your workflow. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.